Keith Haring believed that art can change the world and that it should reach people from all walks of life.
While art is often hidden inside museums, he used subways and buildings.
Sneakers and bodies, and even the Berlin Wall as a canvas.
To spread his message of love, hope, and equality.
All with a deceptively simple line. A bold line.
A white line.
A bright line.
A black line.
With chalk, marker, or brush.
Keith Haring died in 1990, but his message is more relevant than ever. Like Keith, Adobe believes that creativity is for everyone. That's why we've made his tools freely available through Creative Cloud. So pick up his brush and start drawing a line.